10 people died in the Bronx last night due to a fire that killed 10 people in the Bronx last night during a fire.
Fire officials say all 10 people died due to the fire, which was too hot for their body.
And I'm back on my grind. A psychic ran my lifeline, told me in my lifetime my name will help light up the Chicago skyline. And that's why I'm 7 o'clock, that's prime time.
3 of the hardest things for people to say: I was wrong, I need help, and Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire.
Well, that's a good question, Kobe. I don't know, but, on an unrelated note, did you ever find your